Here are the ingredients for tonight's amazing keto dinner. A whole bunch of bacon on a cooking sheet, which is going to be baked in the oven at 385 until it's done and crispy. We have a pound of organic grass-fed ground beef. Riced cauliflower. Ooh. And finally, broccoli florets. Okay, now to start browning the ground beef. Just put it in a pan, medium heat. I got a little bit of olive oil in there, not too much. I'm going to hit it with the Red River Ranch Rollins Mesquite seasoning. I use this in everything. All right, that's good. And I'm going to try a little bit. I just got this today. FlavorGod nacho cheese seasoning. All right. Brown that up. Add these things together. I got the onion ready to go in there. I'll be back. Half a diced onion, some garlic. Now to start browning it and mixing it up. I'll be back. On and added a can of artichoke hearts and sliced mushrooms. I'm going to cook that up with the rest of that. I'll be back. That bacon is sizzling up nice. I'll be back. There's cauliflower in there and the broccoli. I like to hit it with some of this nice BRAGG's liquid Aminos. This is the good stuff. That is perfect and ready to come out and be put on a paper towel. That's some of the best cooked bacon I have ever made. Look at that. It's perfect. Crispy and perfect. Okay, so I've taken the bacon, crumbled it up and added it to this. A few more minutes, it's done. Look at how delicious and perfect that is. Healthy and low carb. God bless us all, everyone.